this video we're going to run through arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators allow us to perform arithmetic on numbers and variables that contain numbers. We have the addition sign, which we can use to add two numbers together. We can also use it to add two variables that contain numbers together. We can add a number contained within a variable to a number that we specify. And likewise with the addition operator, we have subtraction, which we can do what we did previously with the addition. We have the multiply operator. We have the divide operator, which is specified by a /. I'm just going to put these in parentheses just for clarification. We have an operator called a modulo that is specified by the percentage sign. Modulo returns the remainder of two operands. So in the case of 5 and 6, we should return a 1. Assuming we put number 2 first. Just to clarify, number 2 is equal to 6. We divide by 5. We get 1, remainder 1. Likewise, if we specified this as 11, we'll specify this as 12. We should get remainder 2. We can quickly increment numbers with the use of the two addition signs next to each other. With our variable set to number 1, which contains 5, we can specify our variable and add an additional 1 to it. Then we'll print out our variable. And likewise, if we want to subtract 1, we use double minus signs. Next, we'll look into comparison operators.